Welcome to Vivosun. Now we'll check out the Vivosun charcoal filter. This is the carbon filter. It can be used for not only growing plants, but anytime you need to filter air. The carbon filter comes with a pre-filter on the outside to protect it from dust and hair, to allow the carbon filter on the inside to filter out odors on the molecular level. It's made for an inline fan and ducting system. This one is the 6-inch model to allow your ducting to clamp on the outside. The Australian virgin charcoal used in this filter is expected to be useful up to 2 years. Also, it can remove odors from a variety of sources, such as pets and plants. The metal mesh casing on the inside allows up to 53% airflow. That's 53% of the surface area that's free for air to go through. The filter also comes with straps that allow it to be hung on the inside of a grow tent.